how to download TikTok video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can download your TikTok videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to download a TikTok video, first of all what you have to do is open a TikTok application here, and then let's say there's a certain video that you would like to download. All you have to do is just tap the share icon from the bottom right of the certain video, and you'll find an option that says save video. You can just tap the save video option in order to begin downloading that video. But one thing you have to understand is that only if the creator have allowed the download, you'll find the save video option. If the creator have not allowed downloads for the particular video, you will no longer be able to find the save video option. So that's just one of the things you should keep in mind. So this way you will be able to download a TikTok video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.